Dumpster rental in Texas. Wildcat Site Services LLC is your trusted provider for dumpster rental in Texas. Whether you're cleaning up after a home renovation, managing a busy construction site, or tackling a large-scale project, we're here to make waste disposal easy and stress-free. At Wildcat Site Services LLC, we understand that every project is unique. That's why we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. From small cleanups to large construction debris removal, we've got the perfect dumpster for you. Our team is dedicated to providing fast, reliable service, ensuring your project stays on track without the hassle of waste management. What sets us apart is our commitment to customer satisfaction. We don't just deliver dumpsters, we offer a complete, hassle-free experience. Our flexible rental terms, prompt delivery, and easy pickup ensure that your waste disposal needs are met without delay. We simplify so you can focus on what matters most, getting the job done. Need a dumpster in Texas? Call us today at 432-577-2909 to get started. Wildcat Site Services LLC, making waste disposal simple, reliable, and stress-free every time.